Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the GOGERS Turkish Moroccan table lamp featuring a handmade mosaic glass lampshade in Tiffany style. Each lamp is a unique work of art, handcrafted with stained mosaic glass carefully cut and arranged by hand. Its versatile design fits perfectly on desks, nightstands, or kitchen counters, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The sturdy bronze metal base complements the colorful glass shade beautifully, adding elegance to any room. This lamp includes an LED bulb powered by a standard E12 base, ensuring long-lasting use. Assembly is quick and simple, with all necessary parts included for immediate setup. Enjoy the charm and craftsmanship of this stunning decorative table lamp in your home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.